24-year-old boy was sitting on the train with his father. And as he was looking out the window, he shouted, "Dad, look! The trees are going behind!" His dad just gave him a big, bright smile. But a young couple sitting nearby looked at the 24-year-old's behavior with pity. And then suddenly, the boy shouted again, "Dad, look! The clouds are running with us!" The young couple thought his behavior was so childish, and they couldn't help themselves but say something to the boy's father. So they turned to him and said, "Why don't you take your son to a good doctor?" The father looked at them, smiled, and said, "I did, and we are just coming home from the hospital. My son was blind from birth. He just got his eyes today." Never judge others from what you see or how you think their life is, because you don't know the full story. Every single person has a story. Every single person deals with their own struggles. There's always a story that you know nothing about. So don't be too quick to judge others. Also, appreciate the smallest things in your life, because something so small, the things you've gotten so used to, and the things that you don't really stop to look at, are the big things. People wish for the things that you have right now. So never stop noticing and realizing the beauty around you and the beauty in your life. And never take anything in your life, no matter how big or small, for granted. Basically, don't judge a book by its cover, and appreciate the smallest, most simple, tiniest thing in your life.